Education is changing and shows with exam preparation. Hi, my name is Isaac Kojo Bekoe, the founder of emp.ai. emp.ai is a platform that is built for again basic and also severe high level schools. And I'm going to talk about my motivation behind this product. Over the years, I had a chance to study my basic school education at pre-demonstration senior high, and also did my junior high studies application at a national school, which is from government sector to the private sector, and also did study my bachelor's degree at Coventry University in a foreign country. This diverse journey gave me a clear understanding of how much the students' environment, the right support and also resources can impact their educational progress and their confidence over time. That is why we built emp.ai. emp.ai is built with the main core logic of the Ghanaian educational traditional practices. Like, it has a GES educational curriculum schema in the system. 2. It also do have the Ghanaian educational marking scheme for the theory examination marking in the system. Students do get to have access to thousands of past questions across all subjects. Same thing for teachers to have access to these mock past questions with their physical insight on which questions showed up mostly in the previous years, so that I can help them decide on which topic should be their focus points. Lastly, schools also get to see and understand the readiness of their schools and their students based on a specific class or a specific grade, where they can actually take rightful decision making on their examination preparation. And we do believe that every student in the Ghanaian educational sector is got a fair chance of the examination readiness. Based on everything that I've said so far, we come out to the fact that every student in the Ghanaian society deserves a fair chance for examination preparation, and they shouldn't be limited to the resource at their disposal based on their geographical location. And I'm going to show you how we've been able to attain all of this in the next video on how students and schools and teachers can utilize our system and our services.